In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Wikipedia texts to Excel. As an example, we will be scraping article headings and text bodies from several Wikipedia pages. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract text from Wikipedia pages to Excel, we'll use the no-code bot builder. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Search for the no-code bot builder. Click on the green button to create a custom bot. Select the single-page scraper. Name your job. Enter a link and click on Select Elements. Add the elements you need to export, for example, article headings and text bodies. Add links to other Wikipedia articles. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel or JSON to save the extracted Wikipedia texts to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported article headings and text bodies from Wikipedia to Excel. You can scrape other details if you need. Sign up on Botster. Scrape Wikipedia texts to Excel using the no-code bot builder and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.